Hey guys, so I think it's video 13. I know I always say I think because I made so many, I don't know how many there are. But anyway, um, I was taking off the differential axle seal, and I bought this kit from Amazon. Now this is not to take off a seal, obviously. It's to take off bearings. I think it's made like junk. Paid $40 for it. You can get it from Walmart for 30. I saw online anyway. Now, when I looked at this one, I right away told them I want to send it back for another one. Take a look at that lip that's on here. Look right here. That thing is sticking up. And the other side too. And it's all, as you can see, there's a chunk missing. I didn't use any of this yet. This is how it came. But I'm sure someone used this because there's like a lot of grease in here and stuff like that. But anyway, hopefully it will work. I try to look for that other one where there's like 2 half cups that go together and then you put a ring around it. I like that one better, but I couldn't find it. And if I did, my price range was $40. I wasn't about to spend, you know, $60 to $80 for a one-time job. So anyway, I used the 2 pieces that came with it. This is what they look like. Didn't really fit in there, but I tried it anyway, and it did take it out. But if you can just get your regular puller out, they have a puller with 3 claws on it and sometimes 4. You can reverse them, and you could put that under here, and you should be able to get it out with that. Now down at the bottom you have to put something so this screw hits it. So there's a big hole there, so this is what I did. Now if you have a piece of metal, a round piece of metal, you can put it down there. You won't need this part here. I thought this part would do me good because it's a little thinner than this, and this was very tight in between these 2 things, so that's why I chose this. I put this down in there, and I just went around with this wrench. Very easy. I wanted to try to get this out without ruining it. Not that I need it. It does feel a little bit like squashy, so I'm sure the mileage is up on here, but I wanted to save it anyway. But what I did was I saw one side coming up, so I twisted this whole thing, and I think that's when the gasket may have ripped, but it bent this up anyway. So, you know, it doesn't really matter. But anyway, that's what I did to get it out. Now, you don't have to do that. You could take a pry bar, a crowbar, or anything like that, and you can get it out with that. You can just put it in one side, and then you just go up with it. And to make it easier, you see this lip right here, this metal part? If you could put something there, even a screwdriver or a wrench, you know, whatever can hold, like you lay it here, but nothing that could slip if you can. Or, you know, you could lay it all across this part here. It doesn't matter, but as long as it's about a ½ inch up, it'll give you better leverage, because when you don't have that there and you put this in here and you're pushing down, you're pushing back down the seal. So if you have it on this part, you won't be pushing it down. It comes up much easier. But anyway, this is what the seal looks like. Let's see if I could get this off of here. Okay. Let's see. Is there a number on here? Wish I had my eyepiece because I'd be able to see it better. There is some kind of number on here. There's a few numbers on here. Let me see if I can focus in. Okay, maybe you could see those. If you need them, I don't know. Looks like 211,997 maybe? And then something over here. No matter which way, I can't see it, but maybe you can. You could just make it bigger or something. But I think, wait, this seems like there's another number over here. No, I don't know, maybe you could see it, but I can't. It depends where the light shines on it. But anyway, there might be more numbers on here. Looks like there's numbers all around this thing. Man, let's see if we can get a look at it. I think that's the same number as on the other side. Alright, so I got two seals. I don't know what they're for. It's supposed to be for this thing. Hold on one second. Okay, so these actually look like the same seal, maybe. I have to get my caliper and measure it. I wonder if I have one over. Oh wait, I might have a broken caliper over here, but maybe it still works. Alright, hold on. Okay, so I did have this crappy caliper in here. It seems to keep track of the measurement. It's just broken. The glass is broken. I don't know why they make this out of glass. They know you're going to use it for work. Alright, so I think it's set to inches right now. Let's set it to millimeters. Let's see. I guess I got to use this side. Now I'm not going to force it. I'm just going to put it so it just about stops. Not too much. Okay, so it's about like that. It might be a hair bigger. So that looks like 42.7 millimeters. So let's see what the other one is. Oh crap, I can't measure this one. I don't think I can measure this one, but I'll try it anyway. Oh yeah, it looks the same. Yeah, it looks exactly the same, 42.7. So it's about 42.8, I guess, because if you know, actually put force on the sides. Okay, so about 42.8. So it is the same that way. Now let's see this way. Okay, so let's see this way. It says 85.3. 85.3. Okay, so maybe this is the right one then. It was very confusing when trying to order them, but I ordered 2 more. They're supposed to be a better name. I don't know what name this is, but they were more expensive, so I ordered those. Oh, we could try to do the thickness if you want. Yeah, it looks like 8.7 millimeters. Wait, was that 8.1 or 8.7? Can't see with this crack. Oh, I'm sorry, it was 8.1. Okay, so it was 8.1, the new one, and the old one is sorry, but this is very hard to hold at the same time. Alright, so it's the same thing, it's 8.1. Okay, so everything matches up then. So let me give you the number, just for now, of this bearing that I bearing seal that I bought. Here it is. I got it from, where did I get it from? Oh, I didn't get it from Amazon. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, it does say Amazon. Amazon. It's a funny envelope though. Amazon. I didn't know they send it in a white envelope. Sealed air. Sealed? Yeah, sealed air. Alright, so I got this from Amazon. I think I only paid about $10 each. Maybe you could scan that code. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, try to scan that code. Take a picture of it and then have someone else scan it with their phone maybe. Or if you're looking at this on a computer, then you could pause it and then scan that with your phone. There's a barcode. Drive shaft oil seal. See, that's wrong. These people must be from China. That's why I bought other ones. Because they have it listed as a drive shaft oil seal. Now, I don't think that this is a drive shaft oil seal. I doubt if it's going to fit the front of this thing. No. Is it? No, it's different. See, this one, well, does this turn with this? Wait, let me see if this turns with this. Oh, yeah, it turns with that. So I don't know what seal is in there, but I would think it would be smaller than this. So if I measure whatever part this is turning on the outside here, so if I measure whatever is here turning with the bearing, that measures 80.1, so that means that the seal in here is probably 75, 74 maybe. What did we say this was? Oh yeah, this is 85. So it can't be that. So it has to be the axle seals, but look what they call it. Isn't that weird? Drive shaft oil seal. Why don't they just call it differential axle seal? Anyway, this video is way too long and I'm talking way too much. You're probably getting mad. So I am going to go and I guess I'm going to make another video, probably for video 14. Oh, I ordered these heavy duty from Amazon. They don't really feel too much like heavy duty, but I think they are. And I'm going to try to get this out. I have no idea if I could get this out or not. Holy, oh my God, that is in there. Alright, so that's the next video. If, you know, I somehow get that loose or whatever, I'll let you know how I got it loose. Alright, talk to you later.